Hi and welcome back. This is day 11 of the Stitch Along Challenge and today we are stitching the hat. But first, if you're coming across one of these videos for the very first time, this is part of a challenge where we are stitching one of these a day. You will have all the information at the link that is attached to this video. All you have to do is give me your name and email and then I will send you your pattern and all the instructions for you to join in. You will be able to watch all the videos that we have recorded previously and take it from there. So for today, the hat, we are going to use two colors. The first one is 3820, which is a yellow mustard color, and 3823, a sort of cream color. And we are going to use 3 stitches today. The bottom part of the hat will be done in French knots. This is going to be filled with the chain stitch, and we are going to try again the bullion stitch. And if it is too hard, if you're struggling with the bullion stitch, you can use either the satin stitch or you can replace it with a French knot. So I've pulled 2 strands of the cream color and we're going to start with the middle part of the hat in a French stitch. The main thing that I would like you to remember is that I would like you to do it in that way. We're going to go out, middle, out, and then we're going to come back in between these two and do a middle again, and then do a middle again and middle again. So if we work it this way, then we have much better result because our stitches will just fold within themselves in a very natural way. But if we do it just kind of like one after the other, the direction of the stitch will be skewed. There will be the result is not going to look very. Let's start with that part, out, and work the chain stitch. So by now you have done it a couple of times and you should have started to feel what is the right way for you to hold your hoop and do your stitch. First one done. I'm securing my last stitch in place. Okay, and I'm gonna go towards the middle and I'm just gonna do a straight line from here. Okay, so we're going to fill the bottom shape here, and we're going to do that in a French knot. I've got 2 strands of the yellow color, and we're going to first do the French knot all around the shape, and then we'll fill it in. So I'm going to do a couple of French knots again. So I'm going to twist it a couple of times around the needle. Put your needle through, hold on to that extra thread a little bit until you're ready to let go, and it will naturally go in. So now we have highlighted the whole contour with the French knot, and then we will fill it in. Okay, so just as a side note, I just wanted to highlight the fact that I have done very different sizes of French knots, and the whole outside area are slightly smaller than the inside area, and the reason I did that for was that it fill out a little bit faster, because otherwise I would still be at it. But I just want to show you that, for example, for the inside I make like 4 twists, and that makes a bigger knot than if I was doing the 2 or 3 twists that I did for the outside. So for example, here I've only done 3, so it's going to be slightly smaller. It's going to be very difficult to see it on camera because there's too many around them so that you won't see properly, but this is how you play with your French knot. Okay, you just add twist and that will make a bigger knot, and also depending on how many strands you have on the needle. So if you have 3 strands and 4 twists, that will be even a bigger, that will, sorry, do an even bigger one. Okay, so I think that's the last one. So just before you stop completely, you can just have a proper look and see if there is any gaps anywhere. I don't see any here, so I'm going to stop this part and we're going to come back to the top and make a bullion stitch. So we've already done the bullion stitch a couple of times here if you have followed that method. Again, if you want to do the bullion stitch here, that's perfect. It's a great way to do it and try. If you are feeling really hesitant, you can fill it in satin stitch, or you can fill it again in the French knot. So for the bullion stitch, we come through the middle, then we just grab a little bit of fabric, then we're going to twist our thread around the needle a couple of times. Okay, and then we hold and pull. then when it's come through, just go back down. There you go, that's the first one. And now we're going to build it around the whole area. And our stitches are going to go longer, are going to become longer as we go.
So this is it, we've just finished the hat. I hope you enjoy stitching it. If you have any issue with the bullion stitch, like I know some of you had in the past, please let me know. You can email me, you can leave me a message somewhere on Instagram or Facebook. Describe the issue that you're having with it and I'll try my best to help you fix it. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy stitching this cute little hat, and tomorrow I'll see you for the little fireplace. Take care, bye.